No, he's not coming. His hip's fucked. Yeah. First day on the YouTube. Yeah. You're getting a star feature here, Kieran. Yeah.
Oh, you're on that add-on quite well, Charles.
Yeah, I'm the one. Yeah. Just get it all on the camera.
As you zoom past, you zoom on my face going.
Is your dad coming on this one?
Yeah, he doesn't touch the mountain bike since May.
Fair enough.
Like ridden any form.
I don't blame him.
And riding BMX.
Yeah.
Like BMX.
Yeah, don't end up with them.
Never got to form on 20.
Yeah, the baddie nurses. I'll give them a little bit of space. Alright, you ready?
I want to see that. That's why.
Am I leading? My chain's fucking gone again. Fuck me. Tightening this clutch when I get home. Ah. Fucking hell. It's my third chain drop today.
Hey?
That's my third chain drop today.
Oh.
Never drops. Yeah. Alright, let's try to go wheelie up. Oh, no, there's a car. Alright.
Easy entry there to Wings and Goggles this weekend, and as always feel free to walk around and say good day to all our sponsors and supporters. Big shout out once again to Live Lighter, Ride Faster, and all the other supporters throughout Race Village. Be sure to, when you are dealing with them outside the weekend, that you say WA Gravity Enduro sent me
Podium gold.
to show the love.
Check that out.
In 2 hours' time, we'll have the pro stage racing down stage 5, so that stage will close temporarily to allow the men and women full enduro to race down that, and we'll welcome the top 5 of the men and women under 19s and the men and women 19 to 29s to compete as well. Collect your risk.
Kieran. I look down and I just see this broken out. I'll point it down a bit.
You go first, Kieran, or you go first? Yeah, do you guys want to go?
You go.
Alright, you want to lead, Kieran, or me? Alright, I'll follow you. Oh man, forgot about that one. Nice one, Kieran. Yeah. Oh yeah. I did that every single time. You're supposed to turn right and I always forget. Yeah, you're clear to go. I do that every time. Just remember inside as much as possible, pretty much. Your back wheel's fucking everywhere, Kieran. Yeah. Holy shit. Holy, I forgot how like divided that chute is.
My poor dad.
Oh yeah, your dad.
How is he there? What track's this one?
Lucky 13.
Sorry?
Lucky 13.
What?
So I think this one ends, this also ends at Legacy. Yeah, we should actually probably have a quick look at that, just to see where we're dropping into. Wait, I might just have just a quick glance to check if there's any ruts to look out for. I just haven't seen it in so long. Oh, no, you're fine. It's just a small drop straight into a left-hander. No. It's pretty calm, Kieran. You should be good. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah, that's... Yeah.
Too much speed. Oh, chain's dropped. My chain dropped. Fucking hell. When was the last time that happened? Oh, sweet. Oh wait, what? Oh, there you are, Kieran. I thought you went down. What do you reckon, Kieran, outside here? Exactly that.
Not nearly that fast.
So yeah, exactly that line you took to here. And then I love hugging that tree. I'm gonna go over the bars on that rock.
Yeah.
My tires are too small.
Can't go slow into it.
Yeah. I still got 27.5s. Oh man. So exactly the same line he took up until there, and then let's see how we go. That looks to be the line. Yeah, his hub has no sound. It's dead silent.
Yeah, I reckon I'm just gonna go off that.
Alright.
See, if I'm going second,
That was a derailleur and pedal. Or maybe a derailleur. Looked like a derailleur. I might go have a bit of a better look at this. Because definitely from here's.
oh, okay, never mind. I should be fine with mine. Yours. That's gonna be me.
It's just that bit that I just don't want to get hung up on.
Yeah.
Because I tend to do that. Look at that. I like that one. Going in, dropping inside there.
Hey, you got that so good. Go, Luke.
Look where they're going. I don't want to do that. I'll catch a pedal.
What did you say?
Huh? Oh, where's Luke going?
Yeah. I went straight through, off there, straight through here. Went straight down and just followed straight down the left. What? No, I think I went.
Kieran, what do you reckon? Off that or in here? You reckon off there or in here?
Like stepped down there. Yeah, it just takes you straight down. Yeah, I got that. Okay. Down the corner.
I know.
Because it'll come through there, but do you want to stick inside and then hit foot?
Yep, you just might just go grab my bike straight down. Great. Takes you straight down through here.
That works too.
Straight down. That's what I've done every time I've done it.
Yeah, and then just get down the bottom and then watch me.
Yeah, and as long as you stay to the left, you get
Alright, so
always
go.
lined up, two going right.
I don't think they were nice.
Yeah, okay, that's cool.
Riley's up through there. Off of you, Riley. Up of you.
Yeah, Kieran. Yeah, nice, mate. Yep, that's the way. Nice, Kieran.
Yep, right up.
Oh, so close.
I'll take that.
Right up.
Yeah, it worked, Kieran. Yeah, the line picked you.
Very fluid situation.
Rider. All right, let's go, Kieran. Oh, we carry on. I'm gonna go do that faster.
What's the location?
Blue.
Legacy though, we only did the top section.
Hill wheelie. Oh god, no, lost it. Lost it. That's cool. Alright. Rider! Oh, I'll take that. Good enough. Oh, my balls got hooked up my seat. Alright, let's do it, Kieran. Alright. Oh, my favourite drop. I remember one time when I was on my old trance, I went down, hit the one rock in the landing, and then rode down the frame on my nuts.
I don't think my dad saw us.
Oh, that's
Just go left. Left, just as far left as you can.
God.
Do that.
Oh yeah, you can roll. I forgot about that.
I've never jumped off it before because there was too much people.
Yeah, I jumped it one time and hit that rock. So again, that was 2 years ago. That was pretty funny
Huh?
there. You feel like dropping it, Kieran? Oh, Kieran, you're gone.
Roll on the left.
Kieran, mate. You gonna drop it?
Probably not.
Why not?
Because I'm sketchy. I will definitely.
So you're gonna do what? Oh, fuck.
They're jumping over the rock.
Yeah. You do it like over to the left a little bit.
I've rolled this one many times.
Same. I think I'm going to stick to that because if I do drop it, won't be big.
Oh.
If I test that,
You're very right. Yeah, mate.
Again, you think he didn't know.
I don't want to roll it because I don't want to be a bitch, but my ability to drop it correctly is questionable. Surely it can't be that. Oh, fuck. Kieran, just watch her and laugh at me. I reckon right there. Yeah, she'll be right.
My last run dash in that rock garden?
Yeah, it was pretty scary.
It was faster though.
I hooked my nuts behind the seat at one point.
I had like a real close over the bar. See, I like to think I look like that, but I just simply don't.
Yeah.
He avoided all the bumps by just jumping them all.
Sorry?
He avoided all the bumps then by just jumping them all.
Yeah. That's exactly what I want to do. Am I going to do it like that? Probably not. Alright, fuck it, let's go.
It's really hard. Take it real soft around.
Yeah, mate. Fuck it, may as well. Alright, rider. You. Jesus Christ. You saw that. Oh boy. I got the drop clean out. Oh wait, that's not Kieran. Oh, where'd Kieran go? Oh, there you are, Kieran.
That's it. Though.
Yeah. Right, could have been faster, so it wasn't too bad. I'll take it. Oh no, that's changed.
Righto. It's not going to end at all, but whatever.
Yeah. Righto. Not too shabby. I'll take it. Step up time. Forward. Fuck.
You do not want to know the line I just took. My dad might have caught it on film.
Yeah.
I went like right, but way too right. And I thought I was about to go off the track, and then I got hit by a rock, and I just leapt, like just hopped, and I somehow made it
Yeah.
all the way.
I went a little bit too inside on that section, and then like kind of fucked up the second bit because I went too slow, but in one piece. And then I nearly dropped into the rut that was on the step up roll in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was so sketchy. I have literally no idea how I made it down.
Is that last one?
Yeah. I saw you.
We decided we cannot be fucked going up all the way up the Legacy Hill. So, going from here. Kieran's already gone down. Yep. Have we got first aid already?
Yep, fuck it, I'll make it through.
But now what I was...
I think we've got to go around. You reckon we can go down there?
Oh yeah.
Just go slowly, I reckon.
What do you want to do, Kieran?
I really don't want to hit someone that's already fallen off.
Also, it's not like it's the hardest garden, it's like a straight shot.
I'll be fine. Because it'll be the exact same circumstances as it is right now.
Yeah, if we get here a bit before our time tomorrow.
I reckon we just put on
I reckon I'll have the speed.
I think fucking yeah, boy.
Alright. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Oh, fuck. I went a little bit tail heavy. Cheers for that. Yeah, you gave me a toe and then he pulled out. I don't know why he pulled out, I just kept going. Yeah. That's actually not that bad. I think I slightly cased the bridge too. Oh, we cleared it. Yeah. Right, safe. Oh, fuck. I was following you.
Yeah. I got put off straight away and
I don't even know where this trail ends. I always cut onto Lucky 13 there. Just climbed to the finish line. All roads lead to Rome. Somewhere this way. Alright, nice.